welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I don't have like too much going on tonight. I'm seeing my friend Liberty for a bit and I just really don't want to spend my night scrolling on my phone. So that's why I'm going to be making lemon bars. Lemon bars are my favorite dessert. I think they're so tasty. And one of my goals this year is to like be more independent. So I'm trying to teach myself different life skills and baking falls under that. Recruiting my friend Liberty to help me bake because she's one of the best bakers I know. Okay, the weather's starting to get a lot warmer and I love it. I got my sunglasses and I got a cute little Chamberlain coffee bag for the shopping. Okay, so now we're gonna get food super duper quickly.
Well, I'm on a train going to Chicago.
Okay, we actually found better lemons.
Your big brown eyes staring out the window, looking out on this big blue sky, looking out on this big blue sky. Well, I'm on that plane that you see up there. Well, I got you
She's so strong.
and all that goes with it. So come on, let's fly.
Okay, so we have all of our ingredients, all of the lemons and everything, and now we're actually going to be making the recipe. We're using a recipe from Sally's Baking, and I've never used this recipe before, but the reviews look good, so I'm hoping it turns out how we want it.
Oh, I'd love to see the world with you.
Let's see how
'Cause I've turned towards the east and I've come
that
back west.
Okay, this is
But
time.
it just ain't the same in sunshine or rain. I'd love to see
Okay,
the
this needs
world
the measure.
with.
What does this say?
It's just 32
Oh,
on
I'd
the
love to see the world.
Okay, let's go get a ruler. Wait, what was the dimensions? 9 by 13.
Okay,
this is pretty much 9. Okay, this is the perfect pants. This is what we're using. So we've run into a problem. We have no parchment paper, but we're gonna do some butter and flour to line it, and hopefully
Why
it's
don't you come with me this time? I've been walking these streets
look at this.
in cities and in
Brand new bottle.
But the truth be told, it's a lonely road. I'd love to see the world with you. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you.
So this is what it looks like.
Well, let it be no
Flour in the bowl. And while I'm doing that, Liberty is doing the lemon.
carrying me the wind. If wherever I roam with my makeshift home, there's a place for you. Be and breathe with me. Well, I'm leaving today, going to Chicago, and I hope you'll say you're big. I'd love to see the
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven.
see the world. I'd love to see the world with you too. Oh, I'd love to see.
We're gonna continue working on the filling.
Yes, I'd love to see the world. I'd love to see the world. I'd love to see the world with you.
Okay, it should be ready. Let's see.
I'd love to
Okay,
see
it's a
the
little
world
uneven, but it looks good.
with you.
Even though it's a little bit uneven, which was probably my fault, it smells so good. Okay, so they're finally in the oven, so now we just have to wait, but now we're gonna clean up a little. Okay, we're dropping Liberty off to babysitting now. Okay, I think the bars are ready. Let's poke it with the fork. Okay, so I might have left them in for like a little bit too long because the top is kind of like cake-like, but I don't know if you can see, but underneath here is like traditional, like it looks like a traditional lemon bar. Okay, wait, I actually did it perfectly because I'm looking at the inspiration pic right here and it looks the same on the top. So yeah, it's been 2 hours. I spent this time watching The Sound of Music because it's my favorite movie. And this is what they look like right now. And so now I'm going to put these bad boys in the fridge. So excited because they're finally ready for the powdered sugar and the taste test. Okay, this is the final product. Wait, it's a little deformed because it kind of like, I didn't have the parchment paper, so it kind of got like a little stuck, but let's try it. And the lemon part. That's absolutely incredible. I'm gonna cut these all up and pack them into like a little container. Okay, I literally got so many out of these. So I'm going to give 1 box to Liberty, 1 box to my sister. She just had a baby, so I'm gonna be visiting her in a couple of days. But my parents are going down to see her first, so I want her to have some baked goodies, and then 1 for my family. While this definitely was a time-consuming process, I'm really glad I was able to use my night to actually make something and be creative instead of scrolling on my phone. And while I was waiting for them to cool, I also got to watch The Sound of Music, which is the best movie. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.